How's it going? Just wanted to bring you along for one of the pieces that I make. It's really just assembly. It's pretty easy. I have my board here, which is set to 20 inches. And we take our chain, spread it out to the end to end, grab our spot, grab our heavy duty nippers, find the link, cut the one, where's the other one, cut the other one, then you got to take all this stuff out, the ones that were cut. Come on. Yeah. There it goes. Put our ring on. Then we take one of our split rings. Open it up. Drop this on. Put this on there. Oh, yeah, it's hard. Oh, yeah. Something to grip it. Wow, sorry about that. Then we take our stainless lobster claw, put it on there. I like ones that fit really, really tight. Close it up. Make sure that those are aligned. Make sure it's not bowed. Let me check it with our fingers to make sure that it's not going to catch on anything. Alright, that's good. Then we go to the other end. Check to make sure that it's good. It is. Then we take our hammer. Put that on there. Then we get another split wing. These are also stainless. I don't know the exact size off the top of my head, but I like the big chunky ones. Because this is a big chunky bracelet, or necklace, not bracelet. Oh, that one went on perfectly. Check to make sure it's not doing anything. Also need to crimp it. Then you can clip it. And there it is. So, it sounds better when there's more of them.